Everybody, Tara, for today's video, let's go to Kolkata's new market. It's gonna be like my last day here in Kolkata, India. So I'm taking you to like the new market. And I'm so sorry if everything is loud and I don't have voice because I was sick for 4 days. I'm done with my antibiotics and everything. My God, I got throat infection because I'm swallowing. Charis lang. So I'm gonna take you to my first ever like bus or jeep experience here in India, and it's gonna be so extreme. It's gonna be a challenge. It's gonna be a challenge. So, but I'll show you like how it looks like. So like this is how the bus looks like. Wait, gusto itong taxi. So yeah, we're gonna ride here, something like this. So let's do it. I'm excited and at the same time a bit nervous, but we can make this. I've traveled so many countries using public transportation, so this is not something new for sure. Look at the traffic, everybody. Diba? Di mo kaya. My God, the 46. I'm waiting for bus number 46. Ang extreme, grabe. You know, whatever it is that's happening now, it's really something challenging. My God, my English. Okay, and before we continue my video going to the new market, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button on so you will not miss any of my uploads and videos. And please follow me also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I have 2 TikTok accounts. My God, my voice is doing lobby for right now. Okay, let's do it. Tara, tsura ko, oh. Everybody, I think this is my bus na, 46. My God, let's do it. Actually, I'm not yet in the mood to do commute pa. Lalo na here because it's really like, tawag dito, extreme. But I have to conquer my fear as early as this. So when I go to other cities of India, I will feel like I already made it. So let's go. Let's go. 46. My God, nakakaloka. Wait lang. Hi, this is the bus. This is my first ever like bus or jeep experience here. Let's do it. 46 daw. Let's go. Wala, sinisigawan nila ako. Dito na lang ako. Dito tayo. Naninigaw si tatay. Huwag tayo doon. If I look malamlam, if I look sick and dehydrated, because I was sick for 4 days, please understand. Wala, oh. Hoy, jeep. Diba? Ito talaga ako. Kaya ko talagang gawin ng mga bagay-bagay nang mag-isa. I hope I'm not gonna get lost. New market. Parang mas gusto ko sa unahan, parang mas giving doon. Okay na yan. Magkano kaya? Thank you. Oh, 10. 10 rupees. I like this. Same like Philippines. Someone will go inside the jeep and someone will try to sell something. I like that. Bank of India. Ah, this is like what it looks like to be inside, by the way. Yun lang. Hoy, everybody, let's be here in front so I can like show you more of the place. Yes. I feel like it's just Philippines, honestly. It doesn't feel like I'm somewhere else. Minus just the loud horns. Unnecessary horns. It feels like Philippines. Oh, that's how the bus looks like from the back. Oh. Tsura kong pangit ko. I'm so sorry if I don't look beautiful. Hindi na ako makapaganda-gandahan because I'm really feeling sick for today's video. I'm really feeling sick. I am really sick. That's why. So I hope I'll be able to reach my destination. Oh, ayan. Parang ang gandang tingnan ng jeep, no? From the back, oh. Welcome. First ever jeepney ride or bus ride here in India. And I think I'm almost there because I haven't seen like a lot of stalls and really busy surroundings. So, ayan na. And like on the other side, you really can see like how busy the place is. I'm so excited, my God. Let me see what I can buy here. But first, I need to eat something because I just ate my leftover from yesterday, and I'm really hungry now. I want like a shawarma or maybe paratha, roti, chapati. Let's see. Tinan mo, oh. Look at this. My God, just one wrong move, you're dead. Hoy! We have arrived ng buhay. Ah. Gusto ko ng biryani siya. I have arrived alive, complete. So let's do it. Everybody, welcome to Kolkata New Market. Let's do it. I'll show you the place. Before that, again, don't forget to subscribe. Sorry ha, I'm gonna make a lot of piyok. I don't have voice. I admit it. It looks like it looks like Spain, ancient. If you don't agree, then don't watch my video. Charis lang. At least for me, okay? It looks like at least in my eyes, it looks like that. Wait, I need to find the place where na maraming taong kumakain. Okay, so we have to find the place where it's like, whereas a lot of people are eating. Yung mga normal na trip ko. Hala, samosa, oh. Thank you, hala. Huwag mo akong tinitempt, kuya, kasi, hala, may parata. Hindi, hala, biryani. Alam mo, mukhang eto na yun. Wait lang. Kolkata Municipality. Ay! Wait, am I gonna eat ba sa side lang? My God, I'm so afraid. I'm so scared for my stomach. I need to really just finish my antibiotics. Baka naman food poisoning yung susunod. They're so maingay. My God. Wait lang, I'm gonna have to find the food. My God, this is Divisoria to 10 times. Diba? See, this is the advantage if you grew up in Divisoria. You never get scared if you go to places like this. It feels normal. It feels like home. Wait, puro damit yan. Later na yan. I'm gonna go there, but I'm gonna eat first. So I'm gonna have to find a cheap, but looks a clean food. That's it. So, ba't hindi tayo magtanong? Magtanong na lang tayo. Wait nga, mag-research ako. Oh, I did some research. It's not helping. Mukhang I think this is also what they showed. So, let's eat here na lang. So, our first stop is chicken kati kebab roll. I tried that last night. It was good. So, I will eat it again. So, let me show you on how they prepare it. I think you're gonna love this. Because I like it. Oh, ayun. Tapos, I'm gonna look for biryani. I'm really hungry na kasi talaga, so I need to eat na. Oh, ayan. I told you. Trust me, you're gonna like this. It's giving. It's not spicy. And then the final touch is like lime or lemon. And that's really, really masarap. So, ayan. Tapos kasama, ayan, combined with paratha or ayan na, the Kamayan Festival is happening, everybody. I told you, it's real. Saying hi. Hi. Ayan na, I see, the Kamayan Festival. The line. You know the reason why this is good? Because they use the hands. Yeah, but yeah, sure. I know that. Okay, that's it. Opak, kinamay. Alam mo yan, kinamay ang laps. Ang bilis. This is gonna be our first food. I think this is gonna be, no, my first ever food in my vlog in India is the chicken biryani. And this is the second one. Oh, you're gonna love this. I like this. Hello. Hello.
You're YouTuber?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm from the Philippines. I'm from the Philippines. Yeah. Malaglag yung chicken. The chicken fell. Hoy, just to let you know, like on Sunday, everything here is closed. Kaya nakakaloka. Okay? Where? Thank you. You wanna check the channel?
Yeah, please.
Thank you. Nice meeting you, Shukriya. Hoy, we are done now with my first food. So the guy told me, the one who took picture with me, he said na I should go straight here and then turn left because I'm gonna see a mosque and there's also gonna be like a lot of stalls there. So let's go there. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Hoy, look at the clothes. Oh, see? So maganda. Ay, ang ganda ng black. Hello. Tingnan mo yung, look at the black dress. It's so good. It's beautiful. La. Parang gusto ko yan. So let's keep going straight. Let's see what we can find here. Let's try to find the mosque first, so we'll be able to know where we're going. My God, to everybody who's watching, I hope my English is okay. If not, I'm so sorry. My English is not as perfect as my face. Charis! May mga magre-react na naman dyan. Let's keep going straight. So, ayun, let's keep going. Let's just keep going, di ba? Naghanap ako na, I'm looking for a crop top. Charis. Oh, wait, is this chicken? My God. Wait, chicken. Hala, chicken. How much? How much one? How much? Price? How much? What? 100? Wait, hindi kami Wait, I'll show you the money. Wait. 100. Okay, 100. Pwede carry kaya?
Yeah, 100.
This, 50. So, this, 10. Okay na. Only, yeah, this only, 10. Wait. Wait lang. Hindi nakikita si kuya. First, I try one. Ano ba? Magkano ba? How much? 30.
This.
30. Okay, 30.
Okay.
Wag na mag-ano na ako.
Yeah?
100. Okay. Okay, I'll just get this. Heck. Yeah. 90. Okay.
Okay.
This is 190. This is 30 rupee. I think this is 50. Oh, something like that. Oh, just so you know, so when you go here, you have an idea how much it is. How much it is. Oh, ayun. Say hi. Hello. Oh, ayan tayo. Di ba pag nakakita ako ng fried chicken, I forgot everything. Literally, I forget everything.
हाँ अबे साला फोटो लेना बे आप वीडियो हो रहा
Naku, mukhang pipicturean pa ako. Binablog ko siya pero mukhang ako yung iba-vlog niya. Ipa-fry naman pala ulit. I thought it's like that because when he cut the chicken, there's like blood. Good thing that he started cooking it again because I'm really gonna request for him to fry it again because I saw a lot of blood. Ga naman, the hands. No, take away?
Take.
Yeah, take. Kasi maghahanap pa ako ng laps. Gusto mo yung kinakamay? Oh, pak. Pak, the hands is handling. Shukriya. Everybody, I have finished the other side. So, let's go here on the other side as well. So, we're sidening. Charis. So, let's just walk here. Let's see kung anong mga kaganapan. My God! More. It's giving Divisoria. I like it. Ay, gusto ko yung mga tela nila. Ang ganda. Ay, may mga paano. So, if you like search for Kolkata, no market, this is like the first thing that you're gonna see. This one. So, I think this one is really, really, really famous. Okay, let's keep walking. My God, I am telling you, everybody, India is extreme. To the next level. So, take it from me, if you're like a new traveler, don't go to India first. Yeah. At least go to 5 countries. That's kind of similar in India. But if you go India right away, oh my God, baka matrauma kayo. So don't do that. I'm looking for guwapo. Charis. Diba? Guwapo lang pala hinahanap. Ay, eto pala. Talaga naman. I can't see any trash bin. I don't want to put my kalat somewhere. I want like a trash bin. There's too much kalat now. We don't add. In English, wag na tayong dumagdag. Ay, in Tagalog, wag na tayong dumagdag. In English, we don't add.
collect 200. Hey, all that.
Shucks. Mamamatay na ako. Wait lang. Kaya ko to. Ang extreme yung usok, alikabok. Ay, let's keep, wait, kita nyo naman pala. The road, it's so dirty. O diba, it's giving Divisoria. Let's keep walking. I can see some handsome. But, not too much, just a bit. Good. Binatukan. Gusto mo yung binatukan. Mga Becky, oh. Laban naman pala yung mga Becky dito, susuhan. Diba? Huwag mong lalaruin pala yung mga Becky dito. Susuhan naman pala. Okay, let's keep walking. Let's see if where this road it's gonna take me. Amazing. What is this? Let's keep walking. I think this is the center because because my God, my English, it's starting to lag. It's hanging. My English starts to become hanging bridge. Hala, there's biryani, oh. Oh yeah, I think this is the center. Okay. This is where I'm looking for. My English. It's starting to hang. My God. Ay, hello. Di mo kaya kuhanin yung number ko at iwanan yung girlfriend mo. Charis. Charis lang, huwag tayong patola. Tantalan niyo yung mga ano. Stop flirting with people who have, girlfriend or boyfriends. Stop doing that, everybody. It's not good. There's billion of people in this world that's single. Huwag kayong maging kabet. Okay, Charis. Bala kayo sa buhay niyo, do what you want. Oh, that's it. I think I was able to show everything that you can possibly see here. Well, everybody, that's gonna be it. So this is where I'm gonna end this vlog. I hope that I was able to show you like what new market in Kolkata looks like or how it looks like. So again, thank you for watching me, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Again, this is Kate Toretto, and you have a great night. Bye-bye from India. Patay. Wait lang, I'm waiting for people to make the wed so I can also make the wed. I don't wanna die alone. If I'm gonna die, we're gonna die all. Charis. No, because I'm scared. Look at the place. See? Bonus clip, everybody. So this is how you make the wed in India. Oh my gosh. Pray, call all the saints. It's so nakakatakot. My gosh. Wait. See, I'm using them as human shield. Because they know how to do it. They're not scared. Me, I'm so scared. Okay, we wait for the bus. Okay, I made it. I'm alive. Hoy, buhay pa ako. Talaga naman. Kaya natin to. So I'm gonna ride the bus again going home. Kaya ko to. Nakapunta nga ako dito eh. So I can make it back home.